Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching from, and welcome back to iPro Repairs. And if you don't know me by now, my name is Manny. And today's video tutorials is going to be how to replace a digitizer on ipad2. That's a very, very old iPad. But of course, I haven't done this before on the videos, so I am going to do it today, and we will take the ride together. So first of all, I've already warmed this device and it's already off. I've turned it off, so you have to turn it off. Okay, this one you don't need to take any SIM card out, but the device is off. Usually I warm it right from the back like that, and then turn it and warm the front as well. So first of all, what I'm going to do is to find a very, very flexible tool, very light, very flexible, and sharp as well, to make a little incision, okay, in between the digitizer and the what is it called, and the frame, which I've done already, and then gently pry along. Make sure you don't dip this too much, which can actually will scratch the digitizer, the LCD. And make sure you don't go in too deep, because that will be detrimental to the device. Okay, so as I'm cutting through, I've done this before, so it's quite easy. Okay, so I'm just showing you how to do it. Okay, and then you go around this, okay, and then lift it, because I've warmed it properly as well. Oh yeah, the reason why there is the camera bracket is here, that's why it can't go into it properly, but I skipped that. Yeah, and then go through here, and then go through, cut. Okay, I shifted this side. Yeah, but when you get to this level, this side, there is the digitizer ribbon here. Okay, so I expect that by this time you start lifting up from here, so you can see where the ribbon is, so you don't dip too much. Okay, now if you get here, yeah, as you can see, the ribbon is here, so you don't push it too deep. Okay, so it's just here by the edges, so you don't actually cut the ribbon. And then here, and then you lift it from here. Okay, like that. It's opened. Right, so now we've got screws, 4 screws on each side. So I'm going to unscrew them quickly. First one done. Second one done. And then third one. And then the fourth. These screws are holding down the LCD. So I am going to gently lift the LCD up. Okay, like that. Okay, right, this is the LCD. But before I take the LCD out, because the battery is also connected to the motherboard, I am going to loosen or unscrew the battery, which is here. Okay, and try and disconnect it off. The motherboard to avoid any electricity going through as I work on it. Okay, so I will find a little bit of, oh, hello there.
I'm still waiting for your calling. Nothing.
No, I've got the, what is it called? But you have to come in tomorrow because I'm finishing. But I've got the speaker, okay? I didn't work 4 days now.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Time, 1 o'clock? So far.
You know what? Truly speaking, I've got, tomorrow is Saturday. I am not working tomorrow.
Okay.
But coming on Monday, because the reason why is I was on a course.
Okay,
so
Monday I come 1 o'clock.
No.
I write you message Monday, okay?
Sorry?
I write you message for Monday, okay?
Yeah, you write me a message so I know.
Yeah.
But I've got the the
Okay,
new
Monday.
speaker. Okay. Cheers. So sorry about that. So what we'll have to do is to find not a metal, but something plastic, which I am looking for, just to prop up the battery, to disconnect it from what is it called? From the motherboard. So just bear with me, I'm looking for something, I can't find it. Where is it? Well, I found some card. We'll see if that will work. So there you go. And you see it? Something like a business card if it's thin enough to go underneath. So I'm going to stick just to see if I can lift it up from the motherboard. So it's not connected. Oh no, it's not good enough. Where is my usual stuff? I can't find it. Yep. Let's see. There you go. That's it. Okay. I'll stick this one here. So this is disconnecting the battery from the motherboard. And then what I will do is to lift this latch over here with my fingernails. Okay. You don't use any metal. And then I will unplug the LCD. Or take the LCD out. There you go. LCD is out. There you go. Then set the LCD apart. Okay. And now it's time for me to take the digitizer out, which is this. And that you need to also take the latches out. Let me push this a little bit forward so you can see. There are two latches here. Let me use this to pry them up. Okay. Let me see. Sorry. Okay, so now I think I will find this plastic stuff. Oh yeah, there we go. This one, I've seen it. Okay, so you will have to release the latch here. There you go. That is released, and then there is another one here. Release it before you can actually take the digitizer ribbon out. Yep, that's it. That's also released, and that gives us the chance to actually take out the ribbon of the digitizer. There you go, and that is done. And then we will take it out. Oh, sorry for the screen shake, the camera shaking. Okay, I'll set this aside, and I will now clean the edges of the iPad just to prepare it for the new screen to sit properly. So
with our new adhesive strips exposed, go ahead and flip over the touch screen now.
There you go.
And maneuver it into place.
Because without that, the new screen will not sit properly. So you need to clean it very, very well.
To secure that touch screen, go ahead and
Oh, this new
around the unit, making sure it's secure and sealed.
so that the adhesive that you apply will actually will be
We can go ahead and now
sticky
power on
properly. Otherwise, when you put it on this residue,
another successful repair.
it's not going to sit well, or it's not going to glue properly because of the old residue on the device. So let me just
Welcome to this featured application spotlight from Mauser and
okay.
Electronics.
So I need
Agriculture makes use of almost every facet of the Internet of Things, tiny ML, and
Oh, yeah.
low-powered
There you
data
go.
collection. Tasks like livestock monitoring, plant and soil health, predictive maintenance, and asset tracking all require purpose-built hardware with low energy costs. Today, we'll look at 4 products that are ideal for smart agriculture designs. But first, if you aren't already, consider subscribing to the Mauser YouTube channel. Also, if you click the notification bell, you'll know when these videos go live.
so
For a fully featured
now I
similar
have to
prototyping,
fully
Nordic Semiconductor
clean the
is
edges
hard to use.
of adhesive residue,
Tiny ML compatible NRF9166
and then we'll try
package. It provides LTE-M, NB-IoT, and GNSS connectivity, alongside a range of onboard sensors and battery management. Agricultural tech requires rugged components, and Murata.
Oh, be quiet. Sorry guys, just talking to my computer, just making noise. Okay. There you go. Okay, I'll scrape off these adhesives here. There you go. that's done. Quite happy with this. And then I'll start with this one. Oh, sorry. My head keep hitting the camera. Oh, this is just to prepare for the new screen. The digitizer, I mean specifically. Okay. This looks tidy enough. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is to put the new digitizer on. So just a sec. Where are you, Digi? Digitizer. Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right. Okay, it's the new one. Even though the original digitizer is white, this is black. I've already told the customer, who is quite happy with the color. So that's not a problem. So as you can see, there you go. I am going to slot this in here. Nice and easy. Okay, and then lock it up, lock the latches. Oh, where's my plastic? There you go. Yep, nice one. And then put the latches down. There you are. Okay, so this is all right now. So now I'm going to put the LCD back on, and then we will try it and see. Oop. Ooh, easy. Okay, this is the LCD. I'm going to insert the LCD in here. It's a bit fiddly. Okay. Okay. There you go. And then drop the latch on. There you go. And I am going to put it down. Nice and easy. But first of all, I will have to take out the what is it called, the paper, so that the battery can connect, and then I'll press it down a bit, and then I'll try and test the digitizer if it's okay or not. If everything is okay, then we'll be ready to work. Lock everything in place, and happy days, everybody is good to go. So first of all, let's see. Let me see if all is good. There you are. Okay, seems to be okay. Right, it's working. Let's slide it again. just try. I don't know the passcode, so I'm just there you go. So everything seems to be working smoothly, which is good. I'm quite happy with that. So I'll open it now and prop the screen again onto here. And now sorry for the shaking of the screen. So I'm going to tuck this in properly. Okay. Then we'll push this in there. Back. And let's see. Okay, sitting flush now, which is quite good. I like it this way. I am going to put the screws in. So good. And also put some little glue around. Even though it's got adhesive there, I still like to put a little glue just to make it more effective. Okay. That's it. That's it. Okay. Right, that's it. Now I'm going to take out the plastics off the digitizer. Before I do that, I'm going to put all the screws back in place, and I'm not going to forget the screw for the battery. So let's do that first. Remember, it's easy to forget that screw for the battery. So let me do that first. So always keep that in mind. There you go. That's gone in there. Then I'll stick this back in place. Okay, so now the 4 screws that were on the sides, they both go in back. Now that I'm doing this, it gives the new glue or the adhesive that I put on to actually gel well. Because usually what we do is some people, as soon as they put the glue on, they close it. No, you have to give it a couple of minutes. And it makes it stick properly. So now I am going to take this one off. This plastic off to expose those glue that are already on the screen. Oh, sorry for shaking the camera like that, because this is touching the camera pole. So let me just use another thing to prop up the screen instead. So I'm just trying to take the adhesive off. It's becoming a bit difficult. Okay, let's start from here instead. Okay, there you are. There you go. Oh, why did it break? Oh, okay. I've seen that. So we take this. There you go. There you are. Everything okay. Now I'm going to take the main plastic that is covering the front of the screen. Take it off. There you go. That is also done. And now it's time to seal the unit. See what I mean? is trying to put the what is it called, the cable is trying to place it well so it sits properly, otherwise it wouldn't. Okay, so now it looks like I managed to stick that well. Okay, so now all is sitting properly now. So all I have to do is to just press the edges so the glue actually sticks properly. But when I finish as well, I am going to put some clamps on it, or if you don't have clamps, what you do is just put some books, a towel on a table, and then put it face down and put it face down on the towel, and then put some books on top of it. I mean, about 2 or 3 books, heavy enough to put the pressure on this what is it called, the digitizer, to glue properly or set properly. Okay, so now I'm working on the edges. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to this channel so that anytime we put any new video on, you will be the first person to get this. Okay, and please give us a like as well, and don't forget to share it to your friends, your relatives. This can help them to save some cash. So like I said, if you don't know me by now, my name is Manny, and this video is coming from iPro Repairs. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with another brilliant video tutorials on how to fix your own devices. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.